Yesterday, guys, we did completed about the admin configuration. Stay open. Admin configuration. So yesterday we understand the basics of employee center. I mean the configuration of employee ESC employee service center. Right. What is the theme? Theme we discussed the day before yesterday. And yesterday we have covered the portal pages and the mega menu items and the main menu additions and footer, right? And changing the logo as well as, right? And then going to the main menu and just activating it, reactivating the main menu options if required. If not required, making them inactive, right? And we saw the footer as well. And we saw the pages where from where these containers are coming. Right. Today also I'll show you that. Right. So all these pages are being configured in the pages where under the service portal. Right. So we have completed here in the introduction part. If you go to the configuration employee center, we completed admin configurations. Now we are going to the browse experience. Right. So browse experience. Make it easy for employees to navigate the portal and discover content. Right, we'll be discussing about browse experience. We so far we had discussed about installing plugins, assigning roles to users. So in assigning roles to users, I have not covered much because it is very easy, guys. This is how it's nothing but how you used to do for the ITSM module, right? You create groups and you assign roles. So you make that uh, uh, form available only to those who have the particular role, right? And the same way, even in the employee center, you go to that employee center related group, you update the role and you assign it to the users who have this user role. They'll be able to see it. Who have this right access role, they'll be able to edit it. The same way, you can just simply assign it. So this is very basic thing. I don't have to cover it, right? And customize the portal with a theme, footer, and support for this one. Support for right to left languages. This is not at all using, but I will cover it. Today I'll try to cover it this right to left. Currently it's in left to right language, right? So support for the right to left. Now we'll be jumping into browse experience topic. So I'll cover this first and then we'll discuss other things later, guys, because we need to complete what we are supposed to complete it, right? Yeah, and I'm closing this PPT as well. This is completed. And now, yeah, set up employee center browse experience features. So what is the browse experience, right? What is the browse experience? When I am clicking this part, what is happening here? It is changing me to another URL if you observe here, right? Another page. It's a navigation, right? Again, if I click my task, again it's changing the URL, right? Again, if I click on my, my request, again it is changing to. This is all what browser experience, right? This is all completely browser experience. So what exactly we had to discuss here? Follow the steps to set up browser experience features. Define the content hierarchy via the taxonomy, unified taxonomy. So again and again, taxonomy is very important, right? This mega menu will show up based on the taxonomy. Yesterday we enabled risk and compliance, right? So that's the reason it is showing up today. It took time and now it is showing up. But yeah, so if you observe, this is the catalog we created, guys. If you just see, it doesn't have any child categories. That's the reason it is showing up as catalog item, right? Otherwise, it should have shown in this way if you would have created it, right? So this is the mega menu. So define the content hierarchy via the taxonomy. Unified taxonomy for employee center, slide 2 and 3. So I have just added the slides. We'll go through one by one. Okay. Configure how the taxonomy appears on portal pages. Dynamic topic pages, slide 4. Okay, we have here. And configuring navigation menus. This is This is part of the taxonomy. Configure mega menu, advanced portal navigation. Configure the out of the box widgets. It's an optional one, but I will show you how to configure the widget. Configure browser experience widgets, right? And to view all the widgets installed with Employee Center, see Employee Center widgets, right? So as part of this PPT, this browser experience, we are going to discuss all about the taxonomy as well as dynamic content pages, as well as this mega menu we already discussed, advanced portal navigation we already discussed. So actually, guys, in the admin configurations, it is actually only a basic part, how to go there, what to update there. But I have covered both. I have I have covered with example how to enable the mega menu, how to show like how to update the URL, what main menu option should be there. All those stuff I have already covered, right? These two parts. So I don't have to cover it now. But still, I'll just take one example and show you. Now, come back to the taxonomy. Guys, yesterday and day before yesterday, from past 3 days, what we have been discussing, how to configure it. Now, what to configure it and where it should go, right? What it should show and where it should go. The browser thing we are talking about, right? Not the HR, how to enable this HR, not the how to enable this risk compliance and all, right? So, if I go back to my slide, unified taxonomy is a collection of hierarchical topics that brings together different content types such as request, articles, quick link, learning content, employee communication. Okay, such as request, okay, learning content, right? Quick links, popular topics, right? And any other stuff. Right, employee communications is this actionable banner. We have button also here. This is a actionable banner, right? How it is going to my tasks. If you click set goals or if you click learn more, it is taking us to some URL. How is it going? Right. Content taxonomy is it. The unified taxonomy is built on these models. The entire guys, first of all, what is taxonomy? Taxonomy is a bundle, guys. Right. A few days back, I have told you an example. Otherwise, I'll add a new example. Right. If you go to bank, right? If you go to bank, you will have a lot of sections over there. Sections in the sense, lot of categorized loans, right? One person will take care of home loan, another will take care of personal, another will take care of business loan, another will take care of gold loan, another will take care of any loan against property, right? So all these kind of loans were there. These are all the bundles, right? These are all together under one roof, right? So the taxonomy is a bundle where we categorize all the stuff and we keep it under single roof, right? So under which category, what has to be shown? Now, if you go and reach out to any representative obtaining for a personal loan, he will guide you to go there and raise a request, right? He'll guide you to go and speak with the respective guy relevant to personal loan. The same way, you are looking for a request and in employee center, right? In employee center, the taxonomy will guide you where that specific catalog item, where that specific, uh, request or where that specific article has to be shown, right? From here, right? Now, content taxonomy data model provides the data model or provides the data model or framework against when the content is mapped, right? This is the top three levels of topic. For example, IT, hardware, printers. The same thing if you observe, guys, we saw it somewhere, these levels, right? These levels we saw somewhere in HRSD. Can anyone answer where we saw these levels? IT, hardware, printers. COE, guys, Center of Excellence, right? Even it has the same thing. First a COE, right? Then a topic category, then a topic detail and HR service. The same way here in the content taxonomy, right? The same framework is being used, right? So it will have the three levels: IT, hardware, and printers, right? This is the parent one, hardware is the child, and this is the main service, right? And content authoring, right? Taxonomy management provides content managers and contributors the ability to tag content against the taxonomy and manage the taxonomy. So what is this taxonomy management? What is this content authorizing? What is this content taxonomy? What is this stuff? We will see that in the upcoming slide. Okay, guys, do not uh, nervous here. Provide content managers and contributors the ability to tag content against the taxonomy and manage the taxonomy. I have already shown you, right? I will definitely show one more time. Taxonomy for employee content. We have been discussing only major part on the content today and the browser experience, the content, how we are browsing it. Is the actual content mapped to the taxonomy? Is the actual content mapped to the taxonomy? This provides the mapping to the default content shipped by IT HRSD legal into the content taxonomy. Right. Let's go to the slide. What we have here. Content. We have request. We have articles. We have employee communication. We have quick links. We have all this stuff. Okay. So all this together will be shown under the content taxonomy, right? Hierarchical topics. It will have the curated experience, navigation, dynamic topic pages, and home page widgets. So these hierarchical topics will help if we add the navigation page to the employee center homepage, if we add a dynamic top page to the employee center homepage, and home page widgets to the employee center homepage. Now the content taxonomy is the nothing but describing the. So I will show you this image, guys. Content taxonomy image, right? Here taxonomy is not only about this mega menu, right? Content taxonomy is not only about mega menu. It will. I will definitely show from here. Go to instance in page in designer. We'll go there. Hmm. Look at this, guys. Now, this is a content taxonomy, right? So where this is being done, row one, column one, content experience header, content experience, right? So this is row one. This entire thing is row one. Sorry, this is row, this is column, and this is the row one, content experience header. This is the content experience header, right? And container two, it will have the column one and column two. If you observe here, this container is different, right? Entirely till here. And this entire thing is different. It will have what it will have. How can we help page? Instance 2 means this one. It will have relevant for you, right? Just I'll keep it here. Yeah, right. So we have instance 3. This is popular topic, right? Recommended for you. Okay. Relevant for you is the backend name, recommended for you. Column 1 is this, right? Column 1 is this, and it has latest news feed, instance 5, quick links, and this is the quick links, right? And video carousels. This is not showing up here. App launcher, my items, upcoming events, right? These are showing up in columns, right? Upcoming events is in column 1, column 2. Here row 1, row 1 is entire thing. Sorry. Row 1 is entire thing. This is column and this is column 2, guys. My actual item is another column, right? Sorry, is bit slow. And upcoming events is column. How can we help under this one column? If you see this whole thing, this is container. So this is column one. Right? And This is column 2. Under from here, this is column 2 until upcoming events. Right. So this is
Shiva,
all
your
nothing
voice
but
is
a,
breaking continuously.
is it? Is my voice is breaking?
Yes.
How about now, guys? Is it clear?
Yeah, now okay.
Yeah, great. Yeah, now if you just see here, again I'm telling you, this is row 1. This is entirely row 2. In the row 2, this is column 1 and this is column 2. You understood, guys, this map from here. Okay, home page container 1 and home page container 2. This is home page container 1 and this whole part is home page container 2. Okay, and say for instance, now what I'll do, under the quick links, I am bringing it. Hmm, hmm, hmm. That's okay, that's okay. We'll take care of it. Now what I did, videos I brought to down. Okay, do not alter the files. It is giving us warning, but still I changed it. See how it is, how easy it is to drag and drop the topics. If you get a requirements to bring up these quick links here, you simply go to page designer, right here. You simply drag and drop it. Now, now, if you don't want it, if you don't want this content experience, I told you now, guys, we'll create one content, right? We'll create one widget and we'll bring it here. We will try to do that today, okay? From the content list. All these are nothing but widget related contents, right? And as soon as you click on it, based on the configuration we provide in the respective widget, they will be navigated to the new page, right? So now what I did, now I have changed it. Right now I have changed it. What I did, video, I brought it down. Did it change it down? See, my applications went down. Earlier it was, yeah, see, earlier it was down. Otherwise, I don't want my application here. What I will do, uh, in the column 2, app launcher. Now this will take us to the page, employee pro dashboard page. What you can do, you just click or you just click pages. It is taking time, not sure. Okay, page editor. Right now we are talking about which page, guys, which page have been using. Here we have employee pro dashboard page, right? If I click, if I search for this, I will find this home page. Now now what I have to do, okay, from here actually it is giving warning, that's why we are not able to edit it. We will do in the back end, guys, right? We'll go to pages, where under service portal, guys, right? Click the page. See, you are able to find the respective page. You click here. Now you have a page content. This is all, we call it as the framework, or this is all is a data model, guys. Right? This is nothing but a content taxonomy. Or usually the taxonomy, what you will see in ServiceNow is only for mega menu. But the taxonomy definition is something that says about the bundle categorizing the things. Right? Now, Now you want this app launcher here, right? Now if I click, is it allowing me? Yeah, order to under the, oh God, what is happening? Yeah, instances, my items and upcoming events, right? See here, there is a new option. Now you will click, right? Oh, you do have to fill all this stuff and you do have to, uh, yeah, we will do these things. We will just open this in the new page. Okay. Okay. Oh, widget is opening here. I don't want widget. These are widgets, guys. These are instances. We are just, yeah. Now, app launcher widget. Okay. Okay. We will do one thing, guys. We will just copy this. Okay. We will, where we will paste under JSON format. Right. This is the just, this is just a, we are just doing a demo, guys. Right. I am going to submit it. Now, what it happens, what it will do under column 2, if I go to column 2, see, you can see 3 items here. Why? Because it is showing based on name. It is sorting out based on name. Do I have order here? Yeah, I do have order here. Click it. Now, I don't want it on first place. I want it on third place. Okay. Right. Now, I'll refresh. Now, if you see, the app launcher came here. Again, we don't require this app launcher here, right? Now, what I have to do, I have to open this instance. Just delete it. Delete this record. Okay. Now, see, guys. Now, video cursor is here. Under column 2, app launcher is being shown. Right. Now, update it. Yes, again, if you have questions here, just tell me. It is very easy. Employee center. Oh, God. Uh, Something went wrong. Okay. So we deleted that record. Okay. So just ask me if you have any questions still here, right? You have to, guys. Otherwise, you won't understand. Now, see, guys, app launcher has brought down to column 2, right? Under which employee center homepage dashboard. This is the page we are using. This is the page, right? Currently, the app launcher is showing, my applications tab is showing up here. Now, now, now we brought it to column 2. Column 2 is this upcoming events, my active items, right? Upcoming events, my active items. So under that we want it. We don't want it under the videos, right? Now what you have to do? What you have to do, guys? Come here, check here, page edit. See if it got updated under the page edit. Just do refresh it. See, guys, you can observe here, right? You can observe here, guys. Right, you can observe here. Now, if I go to employee center, videos is here, my applications here. Now, if I refresh it, see, you can see, guys. Right. So, you understand now how the page, how the content that was created along with the widget is being populated on the employee center page. Right. So, now this looks good. Now, if you see, my applications brought here. Guys, any questions still here? This row 1, row 2. The same way you can change the banner. I will show you how to change the banner, right? And I will show you how this content is came here. That way we'll understand the whole employee center page. This is nothing but service portal only, guys. What we are discussing is nothing but a service portal only. So I chose it employee center because this is the latest one that I have. Right. So this way, and how this video is created, this is content. How this things are created. These are widgets and added that widget into the instance page. How these catalog items are showing up here. These all are the catalog items and added in the widget instance page. So this how these my active items. This is a widget added here as an instance widget instance. How these request articles and recommended for you container is showing here. These are all the articles added under the recommended for you widget as widget instance. This is how you have to understand how all this showing up here, right? And now we'll go back to our main topic. Guys, any questions still here? You just get requirements in this way only, just to change the uh, place of this widget, or you might you like they might ask you to just change the navigation things. They might ask you to schedule an event. So these things are all. Right. Now we understand the whole whole page designer, how it happens. Right. What is this coloring and all CSS? This is very easy. This is nothing but a whole page coloring and all. And this pages application ID is nothing but home page dashboard. So this is what is about the designer. This is what is about the designer, entire designing, right? Suppose if you want to add any item here under recommended for you, I'm not sure from here it will allow me to add. Okay, knowledge and catalog. So okay, so it was added as knowledge and catalog. List type card list, simple list. Uh, just cancel this again. From few places it won't allow you guys. There are best practices even for PDI also, right? So you can simply drag and drop this widgets, right? Now now we will create one actionable banner and we will change this, guys, right? We'll create one actionable banner and we'll change this. Now I'm going to close this page designer. That is a page editor. This is a page editor. And pages. In service portal also we have covered so far pages, designer, and portals. You know the portals. How many portals we have? Just click here and we have these many. Currently we are using employee center portal. Right. This is the employee center portal. EC theme, employee center header, employee center menu. Now Now, guys, if you check this, I have told you these things can be configured in main menu again, right? So these are all the widgets. And from the page, yesterday we did not cover this point, guys. I remember yesterday I have explained you that these widgets were there in the main menu item, and few of these are being controlled from pages, right? From the portal pages. There you add your widget to the instance, and that's how, right? That's how these items are being shown up here, right? So it's a combination. You have to keep identified. Even service portal also we have covered. We only thing we will not like like only thing we will just have to understand is widgets more, right? This widgets is an important topic. I'm just trying to uh, find a way to create a proper widget with the proper navigation, guys. I will check that. But today that's not the topic. Let's not deviate from the topic. So far, we had discussed about this navigation, dynamic topic pages, homepage widgets, how that widgets are showing. I'm just talking about the navigation, guys. Please understand, I'm not talking about any other content within those widgets or within those topics, right? How we are navigating to that particular page, how the hierarchy is there, how the topics are described, how the taxonomy, content taxonomy is there, right? And now, let's get back to our
Shiva,
mega menu. Yeah, yeah.
Shiva, is it possible to change the name font style? Any
Sorry.
topic, I mean, is it possible to change the font style in the name?
Fonts. Oh,
Yeah.
here.
Hmm.
Oh, this is an image actually. So that's
No,
the
not
reason it is.
no, not in Employee Center.
Yeah, this is an image. This is not
Hmm.
a thing that was written. So that's the reason I think it is not much visible. So you
No,
can
no, no,
see.
no. No,
Huh.
I'm not asking about these slides. I'm asking about
Okay.
Employee Center in the service portal.
Okay. So
Yeah,
you're talking
here.
about font size.
Yeah, see, now we have how can we help, right?
Hmm.
Uh, is it possible to change the font style here?
Yes, obviously we can change that.
I mean, in
Right.
HTML?
Yes, in the HTML, right? The particular widget, if we go and search for this widget, you will
Hmm,
have all the HTML code, server side, client controller, right?
hmm, hmm,
All these things will be there. So the server side decides to what data have to be there, and the HTML will help you the detailing of this, right? There you can go and you can simply change it, right? I will show one widget. I will show you one widget. Yeah, we have currently this widget, right?
Hmm.
Takes time, guys. I have already clicked on it. Just a moment, it is coming.
Oh,
This widgets will have a lot of data. That's why it's okay. Now it's loading. Yeah, I open the record. I will not alter. I'll just show you the place where that all is been decided, right? Now, this is a okay. This is a app launcher. Now I cannot edit it, right? So if you see, if I go back to here, right? This is my application title.
hmm.
Just come here, right? Search the title. Okay. Here it is not searching for some reason. Actually, we have to check line by line because this is in read only. I don't know. It is not allowing me to update any buttons are not showing. Right.
Hmm.
Yeah. If you come here in the HTML data widget title, right? Data widget title. Here, yeah. Yeah. Okay. So, and this is about coloring. CSS is about sizing, coloring, and not fonting, I believe. Yeah, size small. Okay, font size. It's there in the CSS. What should be there and what has to be decided in the CSS. But the title is being called from separate uh, separate place. Data.widget title. Maybe this data.widget title will be there in the cover side. That means fine if it's there. Or maybe I will take the recent favorites and all. Here, only icon body container, data show title. So here from here, right, the position and the fonting can be changed from the HTML. You can just simply go to that widget, respective widget. Okay, you
Hmm.
just do that navigation because we are checking the demo data and we could not find if this data is relevant to this widget or not. But this widget is my applications is nothing but this app launcher only. Okay, just now we witnessed it, right? Clone application is loading. All this is loading topic launcher body. The font is the font size. The font can be changed from CSS actually. Font size and font color darker. Here you can see right the widget. Sorry, in the CSS space 12x and all. So this is these are the territory border widget heading darker font size base font size small gray light app launcher panel app application empty state application launcher body heading ah app launcher heading my applications. This is the solid transparent. Maybe if you change here it will get changed over there. Okay, so you just find that relevant in the CSS. This all our header container. We have header container here within the app launcher. Even
No,
within the widget
I'm asking font style.
font style. Okay, not size.
Font
Okay,
style.
okay. Style I don't think font border background, text align center, color, font size. I will have to check it, I believe actually. I will just check it and I'll just let you know. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Text align center. All these things can be done from CSS. Text, color, size, everything will be done from CSS. You just have to find the relevant function over here and you have to update it. Okay. All you have to do is just updating here. And maybe these two parts, HTML, and it's a combination of always the combination of HTML and CSS. I'll tell you an example. Like if you go to our form, you create one annotation text, you take a text and update the HTML with coloring, sizing, and this thing. Even that HTML text will work as color, size, and font. Right? You can just directly update there. But in Employee Center, so it can be a combination of HTML and both CSS. Right? What I'm talking about. If I open one incident, right? If I click here, if I want, see there is a policy management training link. Maybe if I want, read this section. I know this is not relevant, but just telling you the example. Annotation. We have annotation here, right? If you take this annotation, see if you add the HTML, any HTML code for www.google.com to navigate. Examples of navigating by URL. Maybe I can just take one example from here instead of me writing it. HTML is a bit difficult, guys. This is not Java code. Right. See, I have this. Oh, no, not this URL. I want HTTP. I want HTML. HTML code required to update in form in service now. Oh, okay, leave it. If you update things here, right? If you update the proper code here, automatically the font style and size and color and the place where it has to show, that can be decided here, right? So the HTML is sufficient for the font style and everything here in the form, whereas in Employee Center you might need both the combination of HTML and CSS, right? So I'll find a way where the font style is decided in the widget, in the respective widget, and I'll let you know. Okay, just cancel it, right? Let's not deviate from the topic, we have only less time now. We'll go back to the dynamic topic pages. Right, dynamic topic pages are topic pages that are dynamically configured using content tagged to a unified taxonomy across all departments. These topic pages are separate portal pages that open when a user clicks a topic, either from the mega menu navigation or from the popular topics. Dynamic topic pages are not part of the home page. They are not part of the home page. Even we know you can navigate to these pages from the mega menu or popular topic widgets. These pages are designed to provide a consistent experience across topics and channels in both web and non-mobile app. You can also create content from the portal content and use the base system from a content category. So what we are discussing here, there are dynamic topic pages, right? This is a page, this itself is a page. Now, from here, you want to maybe say set goals, learn more, click or learn more. This is another This is taking us to knowledge article, but this is another page entirely. How this navigation is being done, right? And this is the popular topic. Now, if I click on health and wellness, this is entirely a new page. Going under the human resource, under benefits, there is a health and benefits topic page. If you see here, employee taxonomy topic and topic ID, right? Employee, if I just come here and dot list. Oh, is it not table? Is it ID? Okay, it's an ID. Sorry. Okay, it's an ID. It's not a table. Okay, so uh, under this employee taxonomy topic, it is taking us to the new page. This navigation, where this all content is being described. Right. These topic pages are separate portal pages. Entirely, these are separate pages, and that open when a user clicks a topic either from the mega menu navigation or from the popular topics. From the mega menu, in the sense, this is the mega menu. When you click here, maybe when you click here, IT for IT or printer issues, there is quick links here as well. It is taking us to some other portal page. See, developer service. This entirely, there is a developer services uh, option is available. This is entirely a new page. Right. This is taking us to the new pages. These pages are like these dynamic topic pages are not part of the home page. They are actually not part. You can just navigate them from our employee center page. Right. So let's check the pages as well as content. So these two are different topics, pages and the content, but the content in the this is all the content, guys. Content within the page, within the page, that page is added over there. I'll show you that. So how this content is created, developer experience and all. You can also create content from the portal content and use the base system from create a content category. We are all talking about browser experience, right? So mm, so you won't find much configuration about that pages. You will find only the navigation related part in PPT, right? Just stick to that. So we have different types of content. Banner content, right? This is the banner content. Calendar, right? We have calendar, US holiday calendar. You can just configure it here. We have upcoming events. Do we have calendar? No. We have calendar. Event is nothing but an example upcoming events. This is a widget. Event provide employees a quick view of employee can download content as ICS files. So just see this image based link. So image based links. So these image based links, quick links. Maybe this is not image based. Okay, these are image based quick links. These are the just image based links, right? Just if you click on it, it will take you to some. Okay, this is just sample URL organization chart. Just this is taking us to the organization tag. These are nothing but the image based URLs under the quick links, right? Rich text. We have the rich text blocks of formatted text and images, right? Here, this can be assumed as rich text or styled content. Right, styled content. We have styled content here. This one is a styled content. URL, a text-based link that redirects employees to an internal or external web page and video. Right. So within the navigation page, video in the sense this video. Right. I have added this video. This is the sample actually. Now, now if I go to contents, so we understand how these are came here and what will be there in that contents, right? How these contents, how these things are being created and how the widgets are associating with it, right? Now I'll go to the content. We have content here. So this is all the content, right? Yeah, this is about the content. Hmm. Now, now we have different types of content. This is what we discussed about. See the content type, guys. Banner, URL, calendar, URL, event, video. You have to create it in backend and you make it available in the employee center. Right. This is how it is coming here. How these things are coming here. Right. So if I go back to my content list, maybe US holiday calendar. Right. I have this portal content. Right. US holiday calendar. And and this is in published state. State is published. Right. State is published. Now, if I just schedule this content, for some reason it is not editable, guys. Again, maybe the now if I just do active users availability event calendar. So I will just change it to widget instance. I will just change it to instead of event. Okay, this should be the same page. Actually, I'll change it to I can't change the page. Okay, current location. US holiday calendar, UIB workspace announcement. Okay, service portal. Why I can't see the pages? Okay, I have to just remove it. Cancel it. This page. Now I'll change it to employee center dashboard and under upcoming events or maybe oh I can't see blank instances. I need one widget instance. Right. I need one widget instance to show up this. Okay. So all the widget, we just saw all the widget instances, guys. We'll just quickly maybe go to that page and create one instance under okay widget instance, widget instances. Okay. And we have employee. I'll take the page first. Do I have page here? Okay. I do not have page. I'll create one. Again, it's under Employee Center Pro. I'll take one widget as calendar. I mean, these are all the existing widgets that should be there. Maybe I'll take the existing widget instance page instead of uh, maybe yeah. So if I take any existing instance, content experience header, I have to add one calendar here, calendar instance. Maybe let's not give roles, just submit it. It will not have any widget. I'll add the widget later. Let's see if this instance page is available as there. Where are we right now? Yeah. Okay. From here, why can't I see? Why can't I add? Okay. I'll add calendar and I have to add one widget. Maybe app launcher only I'll add. Okay. Now widget instance is this. And now we changed the board and update it. Actually, it will not show because this is not a calendar. Just since we are running out of time, I have just added it. Yeah, it will not show. That's all right. But this is the way. This way, you can make this content available by just scheduling it. Okay, available to start date. Let's start update the start date as today, right? And today. Oh, I cannot save it. Now it will show. Will it show? Okay, guys. Actually, you have to create one instance. Okay, you have to make this content available as widget instance. We cannot pull that into the existing instance, widget instance, right? So this way you create contents and you make it available, guys. Let's create one. Let's create one. Okay, let's not create today. I will create one banner tomorrow, right? I'll show you how that banner is available. This is this. I have to click here and we'll create one banner tomorrow. Okay. Oh, that is the reason. This whole thing stopped working again. Some issue I'm facing, guys, for some reason. Did I see? Just now it worked and now it stopped working. Welcome to, oh God. Just now we just updated things, right? Here, see, here it is showing up SD content portal, US holiday calendar. Now it is not showing up. Will it show? Mhm. Yeah, custom HTML banner created. Okay, for some reason it stopped working again. I have to repair the dependency. So tomorrow, guys, in the tomorrow's class, we'll create one content, right? So we'll create one sample content. I'll show you how that is to be available. And again, tomorrow I'll cover one more time the uh, widget creation. We'll see the content I will create, and I'll show you how that content is brought down to the widget instance, right? And I'll show you how those things are available in the tomorrow's class. For now, for today, I think we covered major part browsing experience. In the browsing experience, how to navigate there, what is the page designer, what is the page editor, right? How these things, right? We covered many things. So, yeah, I think that's all for today. We will see. We will just complete all these parts in maybe next 4 to 5 days, guys. I'll not take more time. Okay, by the end of the employee center, you will be able to understand. Let me stop the recording.